So you live in the city of Seal Beach and you need help with a Ford. I'm going to give you multiple reasons why you should go to Francisco's Automotive. My name is Francisco, Francisco's Automotive. I've been in business since 1985. I managed a shop from 78 to 85, and I have been a mechanic since 1975. This is my garden. I love my garden. It gives me peace. So again, if you live in the city of Seal Beach, why should I go to Francisco's Automotive? Is it because it gives a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty? Is it because the owner's always here? Is it because I give you a ride home and I pick you up? Is it because if I keep your car overnight and you need a rent-a-car, I give you a rent-a-car for 1 day at my expense? Ford has come a long ways. You got the Ford Explorer, and you know, a beautiful automobile. This is a little bit older, but they're beautiful. They were well put together. They stayed together. I mean, they did really well with the Ford Explorer. And then you also have the Expedition. The Expedition, oh man, it was a great car, incredible car. And then you have the Ford Mustang. Mustang, beautiful machine. You can't beat the Mustang. The Mustang, I mean, it was a sports car. 65 Mustang, convertible. Ooh, I don't know how many of you got those. And I do work on the older Mustangs, by the way. I work on the older ones and I work on the newer ones. And this is just some of the equipment. I want to show you some of the equipment. Back when I started working on, I always recognized technology was needed. Technology is needed. I used to have a breakout box, and this is some of the cars that I use for simulating a car's problem. It used to take me about 2 hours to hook up one of these, but I was not guessing. I could simulate any component in the car. I could take it and bypass it with the machine I had. It cost me $40-something thousand back then, but it paid for itself. A lot of shops used to come and pay me to hook up the machine on their cars. So I got my money back quite well. And then got a little bit better, went to the scanner. This is an old scanner from the 90s. And then we went to different scanners. And then we went to computer-based laptop or computer. Everything's in the cloud nowadays. And I don't even know which cloud it's in. So we can reprogram computers, we can reflash, we can redo the keys. Anything that needs to be done, we can do it. We have the capability. So you need some special equipment like the timing chains. Talk about timing chains. Keep your oil clean. Keep your oil clean, or it'll cost you a lot of money in the long run. Use factory oil filters. Use factory air filters, and I can get into why. Very important. Good oil filter. You know, don't be using those cheap 50-cent oil filters that a lot of places use. If you come to Francisco's Automotive, we use a factory oil filter, factory air filter. Very important. Cost me a little bit more. I don't make as much money on them, but I do watch out for you guys. So this is my shop, 10 Bay Automotive Repair Shop. We are open from 7 in the morning until 6 at night. And I'm here most of the time. And on Saturdays, 8 to 4. My partner's trying to get out of here. Catch her, she's trying to escape. She's and so, with that said, she's leaving. Not for good, I hope. Anyways, back to, call me with any of your questions. You're gonna buy a car, you're gonna sell a car, pick my brain. I'm making some videos on how to buy a car. Very important. Don't you be making the big mistake. Like I said, I've been in business since 1985. I've been a mechanic since 75. I used to own 2 shops. I sold one and moved the other one here. I downsized tremendously, but it's more manageable for me now. It's much better for my clients and for me that I'm half the size I used to be. I'm not running around going crazy all the time, but any questions that you have, give me a call, 714-375-2661. I don't care what automotive question you have. Please call me up. Francisco's Automotive, 714-375-2661. Thank you for watching the video.